Hi and welcome everybody, it's me Almut. Today I will draw the winner of the last weekend travel journal collaboration video giveaway. And first I want to show you again the two travel journals because the winner may choose one of them. And this is number one, the first that I did last week. The page that I made. Okay. And some more pages. Okay. And then number two. The second one that I made. Other pages and page that I made. Okay. Number two. I had over 30 comments. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. Very much appreciated. And you are all in this box. And now I will draw the winner. Mix it again a little bit. So, let's see. Okay, and the winner is ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay, Max Nash, congratulations. And thank you all for participating. Please, Max, send me your address. I will contact you. And then send your travel journal. Thank you. Bye-bye.